Immobiliser fit, and this is a 2023 Mini Cooper S with a Starline Pro. As you can see, brand new, only 300 miles. If a thief got the key to this, went to drive away, the car's going to cut out. They're unable to drive it. We get a drivetrain fault error when the system's immobilising. If they try again, it's going to switch off. There we go. So what the customer has to do is go through a push sequence on the steering wheel, or they can pair their phone. So start the vehicle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here our disarm tone. Now we can select our gear and the vehicle remains running. We can drive it. If the customer doesn't want to use the PIN code, they can turn the Bluetooth on their phone, start the vehicle up, hear that disarm tone straight away, and they can drive off. No need for a push sequence. If the customer wants to put this in service mode, they can either go into the app on their phone, press and hold on the key like we've done in all of our other videos, or what they can do is, once it's set, they can do it with the buttons. So to do that, ignition on without starting, pop their code in to prove it's them. Now we've got our disarm tone. We'll press one of these buttons 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll cycle the ignition off and then back on. 2 bleeps, and now this is in valet mode. So when it goes back to mini, just give them the key. It's a normal vehicle. There's no immobiliser, no need for a code or a phone. It's as if there's nothing fitted to the vehicle. When you get it back, all you've got to do is pop in your normal disarm tone, disarm code. You get 2 bleeps, and that confirms the system is back on. So to give it a test, make sure your Bluetooth's off on your phone. So this is out of range if it's connected. Give it 10 seconds, then try and start it and drive off without putting the code in. As you can see, it's cut out. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a Starline Pro Immobiliser. Protects against key cloning, relay attack and key theft that's going on at the minute with these keyless start vehicles. Once again, our number's 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and if a thief gets the key, goes to drive off, selects a gear, the car switches off. Give us a call if you want to get your vehicle secure.